Happy Tuesday, I'm TypicallyTaya and today I'm going to show you how I achieved this fabulous fall inspired look. Before I get started, make sure you hit the subscribe and notification button so that way you can be the first to know when I upload a new video every week. Now, let's dive in. It's official, fall is here. 2020, in my opinion, has been the fastest and slowest year I've ever witnessed in my 25 years of life, almost 26 years. This year has been so unbelievable in many, we're just gonna leave it at it's been unbelievable. But nonetheless, we are finally in fall. I think the first day of fall was either today or yesterday. But either way it goes, September is here, pumpkin spice lattes are here, leaves are turning, except if you live in Las Vegas like I do, because the tree I'm looking at outside of my window right now is pretty green. Pumpkins are popping up, Halloween is right around the corner, and yes, I do have something in store for Halloween. But before we talk about that, I just want to talk about this look that fall has inspired me to do. And I'm going to show you how to get that same effortless look. This is a look that can be worn every day. If you are going to wear this look every day, I would opt to wear shorter eyelashes, because the ones I have on right now are pretty dramatic. Okay. But I'm going to stop talking and now I'm just going to show you how I got this look. Let's get started. So to start off, I've already got my base done. So my concealer, contour, foundation, and eyebrows are all done, and I've actually already baked too. So now we're going to focus on the eyes. For this look, I will be using every element in the Bakerie Brownie Bar Face palette. And I'm going to start off by spreading in that top brown color all over my eyes. So I'm just going to lightly spread some love all around here. Give myself a dark base color. Next, I'm going to take one of my favorite concealers, which is Can't Stop Won't Stop by Minks. This is in the color Caramel. I'm just going to open it up and add some on the back of my hand, and then I'm going to take one of my favorite dollar eyeliner brushes from Essence, and I'm going to dip that in and cut my crease. So the way I'm going to do that is by starting in the inner corner of my eye and just following the shape of my eyeball all the way back. So now I'm going to go into my MorphexJaclyn Dark Magic palette. I'm going to go into the lightest color, which is called Poof, and I'm going to use that color to set my cut crease. Now I'm going to go into the same Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, and I'm going to go into the color Mojo, and that's how I'm going to darken up my outer corners right here. As you can see, the contrast on my eyes is so stark because I have that very light tan color versus that very rich brown color. So what I'm going to do is marry those. I'm going to go back into my Bakerie Brownie Bar palette, and I'm going to go into the middle color, which is like this orangish, like rust color, and I'm going to use that to blend out my eyeshadow. So to clean this look up a little bit, I'm going to go in with my Fenty Pro Filt'r Instant Retouch Concealer in the color 340. I'm putting only a dab on the back of my hand just because I don't want to waste it. And I'm going to clean up the corners of this eyeshadow. Just like that. Next, I'm going to add some eyeliner and some lashes. Keeping with the fall theme, I'm actually going to use a peach colored blush from Mented called Peach for the Stars. The reason I like to use peach colored blushes is because, in my opinion, they transition effortlessly through 3 seasons out of the year: spring, summer, and fall. Now I'm going to go back into my brownie bar and I'm going to highlight my eyebrow bones and my cheekbones. Last but not least, I'm going to put on my Mented liquid lipstick in the color Blood Orange. And voila, here is my final look. One of my favorite things about this look is that creating it is super simple, but the depth that you achieve is amazing. Like, I look like I have on the most dramatic eye look right now, and it's probably taken me less than 20 minutes to do. But yeah, so this is my fall inspired look. I'm thinking about coming up with other inspired looks, maybe inspired by the seasons, a little series. Let me know down below what other season you want to see inspired looks for, whether it be winter or spring or summer, or even if you want me to come up with an alternative inspiration look for fall. Also, if you like my eyelashes, they are from blinkandwinkminks.com in the style Eye Catching. You can use my code TAYA15 to get a little sum off your order. Before you leave, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons and that notification button so that way you can know when I upload every week. I'm TypicallyTaya, and I'll see you next time.